how to play Someone Loves You, Honey by Charley Pride. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's get the melody, because the melody, once you get the melody down, you can kind of put the song together. It starts on a low A here. A, B flat, C, D, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, A, C. Does it again. Then we go D, F, B flat. Then we're going to have an octave leap here. B flat, B flat, B flat, A, G, F, D. B flat, B flat, B flat, A, G, E, F, G. Then we've got A, B flat on the chorus. But it'll be up here. A, B flat, F, E, E. B flat, G, 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 E, D, C. A, B flat, F, E, E. C, C, B flat, A, G, F, E, F. Now we're in the key of F, and our main bass notes are going to be an F, a B flat, and a C, and a G for a G minor right there. But we'll start off with this F for the intro. All we're going to do is play C and F, C and G, C and A, C and G, C and F. So we're just going to walk that up. And we're going to end with that F. Now we're going to go F, B flat, and then we're going to take a B flat and do the same thing. We're going to go B flat and D, only this time we're going to walk it up by thirds. You can finger it however you want. But I usually use the thumb and index finger and come back to that. And then here we're going to do the same thing with C. Up by thirds. C and E, D and F, E and G. And then we're going to go F and A, B flat, G and B flat, A and C, F. So it'll end up with a C7. It'll resolve back to a F. It'll end with a C7 there and resolve back to F. So let me go slowly so you can see it. Now these C and the C and E come together. Hold that, go on up, and come back to the F. And then we've got the melody. So you come down here for that A, and you just fit these together. Then we got the G minor right there with the G. So you're going to have F, 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 G, 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 C, 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 F. Put them together, go. You've got. They've got a little guitar fill in there, a slide guitar. And all you're going to do there is play it. You don't have to play the F there. It just sounds better to get a little pickup. But it goes G, F, E. Theirs just has G, F, E. I usually throw a little F grace note in there. Then you're going to go. You want on the rhythm on that left hand, because you can add the extra, but it sounds good. Less is more probably. Then we do this again. Now we've got, and then we're going to go to a B flat. They do da 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 da, so it'll get. And what you'll do is there you get a ba da ba da da da, and this left hand will come in just after the D. So go with the B flat, and then the chorus sets off with that F. So it'll sound like this if you play it up to tempo and then. into the chorus. F, F, B flat, C, 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 F. Just repeats that. So. C, 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 B flat, C, and the F. Then we've got an interlude that's just like the introduction. Now the second verse is the same, but the rhythm's changed a little bit. We have a D right here instead of B flat. Now here's where it gets tricky because your left hand is it's going to go C, D, E, F right there, and your left hand, your right hand's going to just play the melody. Comes in. I'm going to go slowly so you can see it together. The F is by itself. So the D's are together, then a C and an E and a C, and then the F by itself. And then you go back down to the B flat and we're home free. Slow down just a tad right here because we're right at the end. And then the tag is very similar to the introduction. And then we go right to the C. Slow it down. And we end with an F chord. There you have it. Someone Loves You, Honey by Charley Pride. Hope you enjoy it.